Hi, I published a paper last year, and the title of the paper is on the macro and micro environment for diversity of behavior in artificial life simulation or agent-based modeling. And one of the main research here is to simulate the micro environment of of an agent-based model. Now, environment isn't similar across a large span of landscape, as different areas have different temperatures and also other environmental factors. So this paper mainly um, attempts to simulate the micro environment, but also the macro environment of an agent-based model. So the paper can be downloaded from my website at www.complexity.io. And I'd like to just show you some of the interesting effects, using this formula to simulate very different species and also environmental factors on using a Java framework up in programming. So let's have a look at the videos. So this is two species interaction, and some of the areas here showed some environmental emitters, and the species interacts, and that's what happened. And this is a 10 species interaction, so all species interact. One species, half of it may be attracted to one of the environmental variables, and the other half is repelled by the environmental emitters, which are the green dots seen on the simulation. So on the left side, you've got the one of the species attracted, and moving across and being attracted to the environmental emitter. It may be a heat emitter or a cold emitter, and the other species are repulsed by it. And after a certain time, you see, two very different patterns happening across the landscape. Now, this is important because in simulating complex systems, especially with regards to the evolution of diversity, it's not merely the DNA, I believe, that contributes to the species, also the environment. So different environment produces different types of perhaps variation in a species. And so this research attempts to model the environment using agents.